Pag nagwo-walk kayo, sawa ka na ba sa paghila niya? This is one thing na mali mo. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. I've been an animal welfare advocate for close to 25 years. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Most dog parents think na malakas lang talaga humila ang mga aso. Pero ang totoo, natututunan lang nila yan. Hindi dahil sa pasaway sila, kung hindi dahil nalilito lang sila. Ganito yan, kapag hinahayaan natin sila humila at susunod pa rin tayo, natuturuan sila na, ay, pwede pala, gawin ko palagi. So instead of fighting the leash, start teaching calming environment. Slow down when they pull, move again only if the leash is loose. And keep your energy steady, hindi galit, hindi excited. Hindi ito overnight fix ha, pero over time, they learn na mas mabilis makarating pag kalmado. Always remember, leash pulling is not about strength. It's about communication. Save this tip bago kayo mag-walk ulit.